Hey everybody, it's Hailey, and today I'm going to be doing this look, and I know you're probably like, what is that? That does not look good. Well, that's because I did my makeup in reverse. So if you want to see me do my makeup in reverse, then keep on watching. The last thing that I usually do is lip color, so I guess we're going to start with that. And I have a mirror over here, so that's why I'm looking over here. And I'm just using this Sephora like cream lipstick. The second to last thing that I do is the lashes. I guess we're going to be putting them on right now. I'm just using the Kiss number 11 lashes. Now we're going to apply the lashes. And I'm just using this Ardell lash glue. And I'm just going to put some glue on. Let them get a little tacky. And place them on. So there's one of them. Now we're going to put on the other one. I guess next I'm going to end up doing mascara, so I have to wait for these to dry. So let's just fan them and dry them. And we're going to put mascara on. I honestly think this look is going to turn out terrible. But I don't know. And I just got mascara underneath my eye. That's great. And I'm just using the Better Than Sex mascara, just by the way. I did it again, you guys. I got freaking mascara. I do not like this lash glue whatsoever. I usually use the Duo one, but I don't know where it is. Best thing is though, is I'm not taking off any makeup by taking a Q-tip with makeup remover and taking it away from my under eyes. I guess the next thing that I'm going to do is eyeliner. And let's see. I'm going to use the Stila. It's like all rubbed off. It's their like 24-hour eyeliner. And I guess just kind of fill in where there's blanks. Okay, we're doing alright. Now let's go on to the other side. Okay, so it's not terrible. I mean, we can't do like a super dramatic eyeliner because my lashes are on. So, let's see. Before eyeliner, I do eyeshadow. So let's see. I'm going to use the Morphe 350 palette. Okay. And I guess we're going to go on to eyeshadow. So first, I'm going to do, I usually do like the crease and stuff first. So I guess I'm going to start with the lid. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is going to be so bad. This is already so difficult. Oh my goodness. It's like getting all of my lashes. And I don't have any eyeshadow primer on. So that's not helping at all. It's wanting to crease on me and it's getting all on my eyelashes. Oh my gosh. Then I usually do like my deep shade. So I'm going to take this like dark red, brown, burgundy color right here and take it on my brush and do my dark color on my outer. Y'all, I don't know if you can see, but look at my like lashes. There's glitter eyeshadow all in them. Maybe this won't turn out as bad as I thought. Okay, so then I do my transition shade. So I guess I'm gonna do that. Guess it'll kind of help blend everything out. It is creasing so bad and not wanting to stay. Okay, so then I do my base color. So I guess I'm going to take this shade and put it all over my eyelid. Oh my gosh, it's going to make it look so muddy. Looks so bad. I mean, it could be worse, but so far not so good. And now I have to put on eyeshadow primer. So, let's see. I use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. And I have to put this over the eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is going to be so bad. Oh my gosh. No. I'm going to try to like tap it in so that it doesn't end up. Literally all the eyeshadow is gone. It's coming off of my finger. And then same for this eye. It's so bad. But you know, point of the video is to be funny, I guess. So now I'm going to go on to brows, and I usually fill them in before I conceal them. But we're doing it backwards today, so it looks like I gotta conceal them first. So I'm just using the Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the color Light Sand. I just dropped my brush. I'm just using this Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna conceal them, even though they don't have anything on them. I can already tell this is gonna be so bad. This is like a true doing my makeup in reverse. I saw James Charles do it, and his actually looked good, but he like tried to work around it and do like cream contour and cream stuff so that it would blend better. We're gonna do it how I actually do it, which is like with powder. Okay, so I have to fill them in, so I'm going to use the Ulta, like, brow pencil and brush them and fill them in. Okay, and we're going to brush them out. They actually don't look terrible, which is a good thing. And this is when I would usually go and conceal and fix my mistakes, but we can't do that. So I guess I'm just going to leave them how they are. So the next step that I would do, or the last step that I do on my face is highlight. So we're going to do that first. And I'm just using this Laura Geller Highlight in Gilded Honey. This is going to be so bad. And it's powder, and I'm going to have to put liquid on top, like the foundation. So, yeah, this is a true doing my makeup in reverse. So then I would do, before I do highlight, I usually do blush. So I guess now we're doing blush. I'm using this Merle Norman blush. It's in the color Fancy Free. And my cheeks are already red, so you're probably not even going to see it. Now we're going to do bronzer, because that's what I would do before I do blush, but I guess you get the hint here. We're going in reverse. So I'm using the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzing Face Powder in Sunny. It's literally so broken, but I can't wait to put foundation back over this. Oh, it's gonna look so bad. Now we're gonna go in with concealer, because that's what I would do before I bronze. Oh God. And I'm just going to blend that in with this beauty blender. This looks so bad. Okay, so I guess that's concealer. Now, for the moment that you guys have all been waiting for, foundation. I'm super scared. Oh my gosh, it's probably just gonna end up covering everything up. But it's fine, it's great. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Nude Ivory and Buff Bisque. Oh my goodness. And I'm just gonna do what I normally do. This is gonna look so bad. And now we're gonna blend it all in with a beauty blender. Over all this powder. Literally, it's covering everything up. So it literally covered pretty much almost everything up. But this isn't looking bad. For going in reverse, it's not looking terrible. Now we have to put on primer. And I usually always put on primer with my hands. So we're going to try that. I'm using the Bare Minerals Prime Time. I'm just putting it in my hand. Here we go. Oh my gosh. I just feel like I'm rubbing everything off. So this is the final makeup look. It looks so bad, especially my eyelashes. There's eyeshadow all clumped in it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and subscribe down below. Like it and comment what videos I should do next. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.